a bird making noise. I couldn't figure out. And if you look real carefully, the bird is right the back of the horse, and I can't be more than 8 inches from the bird. See on Fred's back. I think it's just a young bird that's just learning how to fly. Don't know what type it is. But Fred doesn't seem to be too upset. He's kind of hiding in Fred's hair. Looks like a little baby bird of some sort. And it's just kind of trying to learn to fly. Yeah. There. When we get ready to go.